So right over here we have the 2024 Toyota Corolla Nightshade Edition. This is the hybrid all-wheel drive version. And one of the things I wanted to install today is in this box is the non-illuminated door sills for the Corolla, part number PT41302201. I picked it up at the dealer, so they're not cheap. I think I got them on discount for like 15% on the website, but still hitting about like $100 with shipping and tax. But this is it. Let me pull them out and let you guys see a little bit closer those details of what I was trying to get. So my car doesn't have any door sill protection on it, so it's just the door sills in black. And so if I want to prevent it from getting scuffed or scraped in the original paint, these door sills will help. It also gives a nice kind of look to it. You can see already it comes with the kind of like both plastic and metal, and then you'll just attach it through some double-sided tape that's already pre-attached there. Let me go ahead and open it up and give you guys a closer look. So getting real up close to these new door sills, they have some plastic protection here, as you can see, but when I take it out, you can see that it's metal with some hardened plastic there. As we get a little closer, it says Corolla in the center. Gives you 4 pieces, 2 for the front, 2 in the back, 1 for each side, and they're the same, so that there's no passenger or driver differentiation. You just pick the one you want and just put it on the side, and that's what it looks like. Then if you get over here, these are the rears. You have double-sided tape to help you mount it on both sides. You just got to make sure the surface is clean and prepped, and then again, as we peel it off, you can see that this is the stainless steel kind of brushed aluminum metallic look for it, but at its core it's followed by plastic. But this will be nice, give a good look and also protect it. Let's go ahead and get closer to the car and we'll take a look at the OEM car with no door sills, what you get at the dealer, and if you wanted to add these, kind of where would it go and what it looks like. So we're going to get real close to the Corolla, and as I open the door, I still need to clean it, but you can see I've been driving this for about 10,000 miles now, and these are the door sills. And so we're going to put some protectors on it, and so when you walk out, when you put your feet, put it here on this plastic piece or here, so just preventing like scraping or cuts or anything you want to your body, and it's just going to be a nice look and touch to it. Moving over to the back seat, same deal. You know, you have the door sills here, a little recessed. We need to clean this to make sure it's prepped and ready for install. But this is what it looks like. Right over here, I've already kind of wiped it down a little bit, but I have some Griot Speed Shine. You can use any cleaner that you want, but just gotta soak it in and just wipe it with the microfiber, and then I'll just let it dry for a few minutes and then I can stick it on. But just gonna do this for all the sides, but just demonstrating one. You could also clay bar it, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna skip it. I'm just gonna put it right on top and it should be good to go. At the very least, just wipe it down. Just make sure you get all the dirt off to promote adhesion, but this is all you need to do. One last thing I'm going to add is some IPA surface prep. It's from one of my ceramic kits. I'm just going to use it to clean it off, but just to make sure it's extra clean before I actually stick on this double-sided tape. All right, so we're ready to install these door sills protectors. If Here's the Corolla. You may be wondering, like, there's this recessed area where it kind of bumps up and then comes down a little bit. And you're wondering, like, hey, what's going on with the door sill? Does it fit? So if you noticed, this here kind of like goes down a little bit. And that's kind of accommodates the push up here. And so it's not perfectly flat, and it's intended to be a little bit higher on the bottom here so that it actually matches this curve. So when you put it down, it'll probably just hook up to that curve, and you want to push it all the way, and it should work as intended. So you just got to make sure you have this all the way in before you stick it down, and it's really up to you where you want to position it. I want to center it to this column here. So there's like a little bit of curb on this side, and there's a little bit of curb there. And so I just want to actually put it in a good angle. And what I've come up with is maybe about 3.5 inches from the point. So right there. And I think that'll work pretty well. So the interior door is here, and you might be stepping out, and you'll probably step right in the center area here. So that's where I'm gonna do it. So I'll go ahead and just peel off the double-sided tape, and it's pretty simple as that. And what I'm gonna do is just mark it again, 3.5 inches from the edge of this curve. So I want the point of this Corolla thing to be there. That looks pretty good to me. The reason why I'm measuring it, so I know the other sides could be almost the same. And then pretty much I'm pressing against the corner, and then I'm just gonna lay it flat down. And you just pretty much let the double-sided tape adhere. Just put your fingers along the corner, and put the fingers along the corner here. And that's it. And then we're gonna just take off the wrapping or the tape on the top. And there it is. That is the Corolla door sill. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? We're gonna do the driver's side now, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys the back side as well. So right over here, this door sill in the rear side of the car, it's much smaller, but you'll notice like there's less of a access point for the door sill. It curves quite a bit, so it has this gap here, and as you slide it down, you'll notice like there's a point here where it flattens out, and you come from the top. It's not until you get to here where it flattens out. I actually want the door sill to be furthest from this side, so or closest to the back side, because I feel like that's where you put your feet when the car is fully open. And where this bend is here, I think this is where it's the most flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure on this side. It's roughly 3 to 3.25 inches there. So what I'm gonna do is just feel around and then decide where I want it to be. That's 3.5. It still feels pretty flat, so let's do it at 3.5. Same deal, double-sided tape. Take it off, and I'm just gonna measure 3.5 and then put it where that curve or bend is. So I think I'll have it here. I'm gonna put it down now. And then I'll just take off the tape. Cool, it's not going anywhere. And let's do the other side. And gonna open the passenger side front door, and that's it there. Looks pretty good. And pretty much it mirrors the other side. So yeah, 2024 Corolla Nightshade, blacked out. This is the all-wheel drive hybrid, but these door sills pretty much apply to, I would say, all the Corollas of this year, and potentially the 2020 to 2024, because they share the same body style. But yeah, this is the part number, non-illuminated door sill Corolla PT413-02201, and I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully this was a useful install of what this looks like and how it's done, and I think this is gonna work out pretty well.